In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template in Notion. This is an incredibly useful skill, particularly if you're someone who frequently builds similar pages and wants to maintain consistency while saving time. To get started first, you'll need to head over to the Notion website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, you can easily do so by clicking the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. For a seamless experience, I recommend using the Continue with Google option if you have your Google account linked to your Notion workspace. This will quickly get you into your main workspace, which is essentially your central hub where all your pages are organized. Now that you're in your workspace, the next step is to locate the page you want to duplicate. This can be any page that you've already set up and which has the layout that you find reusable for future projects. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the page title in the sidebar. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing to the right of the page name. Go ahead and click on that icon, as it will open the options menu you need. From the options list that appears, you should choose the duplicate option. This will then bring up a new prompt asking if you wish to duplicate the page with its content or without it. Given that our primary goal here is to replicate the structure only and not the content, you should select Duplicate without content. By doing this, Notion will instantly create a brand new copy of your page. This copy will include all the same headings, blocks, and formatting, but none of the actual text or data from the original page. It's a feature that's particularly beneficial if you're working on several templates, logs, or project pages that demand identical layouts. After your page has been duplicated, you'll want to rename it to reflect its new purpose. This is when the fun part begins, as you can start customizing the duplicated page to suit your new project's specific needs. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a page in Notion without the content. It's a straightforward yet incredibly powerful tool that can significantly enhance your productivity, especially when you're dealing with recurring projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing. I hope this helps streamline your workflow in Notion, making your digital workspace more efficient and flexible.